How to add your Truist card to digital wallets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your Truist debit or credit card to a digital wallet so you can make secure contactless payments. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, you can simply click on the search bar and simply search for Truist Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Truist Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, simply log in with your credential and here once logged in on your main dashboard, you simply have to click on the account linked to the card you want to add, whether it's your Truist credit or debit card. And here on your card details page, you simply have to look for the option that says add to digital wallet or similar. So here you simply have to click that to start the setup process. And after that, you will see a list of available wallet options like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. So simply select the one that you use and follow the instruction to verify your card. And this may include receiving a code by text or email. And once verified, your card will be ready for use in your wallet. And that's it. That's how you can add Truist card in your digital wallet. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.